we said bop. That's how to look. What is going on, my boo? It is your girl STACIEWO. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today, honey, we are going to be busting it up, playing in some makeup. As you can see, this is the eye that we are going to be doing today. I kind of like started the eye first because I really didn't know what I was going to do. So we are going to be jumping right into this eye because I really like this eye and the way this eye looks. Yeah, my lashes is a little but if you in my lashes and worried about how my lashes is laid down and not worried about how I really like seamlessly did this eye, you're a hater. So with that being said, we're going to continue. So we're going to be jumping into my boo, Stacey Marie Carnival palette, because I just love her. That's my girl. And we are going to be jumping into Forest. And I'm just going to be stamping this on my outer corner real quick, honey. Staying close to the outer corner, and then once I get to the bone, I lightly just start blending that out. Just start flicking that out. That's what I do. I really like the way this eye came out. And I ain't gonna even lie, y'all. The enemy was crazy this morning because for a minute I'm like, oh my goodness, do I really know how to do makeup? Because I haven't really did like these kind of eyes in a while, because lately the vibe has just been very natural glam, very chill glam. And I'm like, I'm tired of being regular. I'm tired of being natural. I want to be extra. Read all about it. So next we're going to be jumping into this color right here, and it's called Tropics, like that. And yes, I am using the same brush. I don't know, but I still be using the same brush sometimes. So yeah, I still be using the same brush because I feel like it's the same green, and I kind of want that kind of like blend ombre effect. It doesn't, I mean, I don't be seeing like muddy or nothing like that, but yeah, I still use the same brush because I go back and forth with, you know, both colors. So I might as well just use that. All right, now since I have that down, we are going to be jumping into this Black Beach. And if you know me, you know that I just take a little bit of black on my brush just to give it that depth. I'm just taking that Black Beach and laying that down. So I'm gonna just take this little teeny brush and then I'm going to go jump right back into that Tropics. I'm gonna blow that out like that, like so, like my boo Tab said. I'm gonna blow this out like that, like so. Okay. All right, so now since we have that down, we're going to jump back into that Black Beach. It's always good to take like a nice black and nicely give it some depth. Or shadow, I don't know. Whatever you want to call it. But I call it depth. Because it's like, you see what I'm saying? You see how now you can kind of like really see that? So that's what I'm doing. Come on, Jesus. Got me doing my makeup and stuff. You is showing off. It's like, no, but yeah, that's how we doing it. Just like that. And now since I got that down, boo, I'm going to take some concealer because I kind of want to clean that up a little bit. So I'm going to just take some P. Louise. And I think this is in the Rumor 7 base. Yes, this is in the Rumor 7. And I'm going to just take this and kind of like clean up. Y'all, I'm literally shaking. I don't even know if y'all can see it, but I was literally shaking doing that. That's because I haven't did cut creases in a minute, babes. Anything that you do, you have to keep practicing. You have to keep doing. Also, if it's a talent and it's a gift, I would tell you a little secret. Do you know when God give you talents and when God give you gifts, right? If you don't use your talent and if you don't use your gifts, you are committing a sin. We are going real quick, going to be jumping into the Scepter, the Vivian palette, and I want to jump into this cookie dough, that right there, and I just want to take that and lay that over top of this. But yeah, if you don't do your talents and God tell you to do stuff, like if the God give you gifts and you don't do it, it's a sin. It's this story in the Bible, right? God had gave this guy or whatever a talent, like a banging talent or whatever, you know, because all God's talents are the bomb, okay? So he had gave him this talent, and you know what the God go? He goes and he hides it. He hides the talent. So when he hide the talent, after that, God's like, okay, what y'all do with y'all talents? And I forgot like the whole story. I would have to like really like read it again. But I remember like God basically said like, you know, what you do with your talent. He was like, oh, I hid it. You know what I mean? I hid it or whatever. And God was like, oh, you hid your talent? Oh, okay. Well, I'm taking your talent and I'm going to give your talent to somebody else. Like, God do not be playing. Like, when he give you stuff, he wants you to use it. Singing, whatever you doing, use it. If you don't, it is a sin. So when people don't be believing in you and stuff, say, yo, I gotta do this. You might not believe in me, but I gotta do this, okay? Because if I don't do this, I will be committing a sin. And I'm not trying to be committing that kind of sin. Like, you know what I mean? Like, dang, like, no. So we gonna be, you know, we gonna be doing more of these. So I'm just taking a black and I'm about to smoke this out. So yeah, I take Black Beach, smoke this right out, you know. And then I'll take a little bit of green. Now since I have that down, I'm going to take this, the gold. I'm going to do the liner, the gold liner. Why I keep picking up my phone thinking it's a mirror? The freak? So this is done. So, whew, you see how that, child, whoever said put tape right there, that was the best thing you could have did. Like, you really help people out. Alright, so now since I'm done, I'm gonna just put some mascara on there so that could dry down so I could put my lash on. Alright, so now I'm going to take some concealer and bring it around because I'm about to it's about to go down. It's about to go. Remember Kimbo Slice? Me and my husband, we used to watch him, and he used to be beating them people up. They used to be hype as hell to fight him, and he used to be wearing them guys out. Do you hear me? He used to be wearing them out. Me and my husband used to be cracking up. It was this guy, he knocked him out so bad that he knocked his dreadlock out his damn head. I was like, damn. I think he passed too. Rest in peace, Kimbo Slice. He used to be whooping people ass. I used to be like, damn. And people used to try to come and fight him. People would try to fight him. They would like pay to fight him. And he would whoop they behind. So now we just getting ready for the under eye. So that's why I'm like putting all this stuff under my eye, because I'm just getting ready for the under eye. Alright, now we're going to be jumping into a black. I need that black. And then I'm going back into that forest and I'm just blowing this out because I want my under eyes smoked. I haven't had them smoked in a while. And then we're going to jump into the tropics. So now since I have that down, we got these eyes down. I'm going to jump into some mascara for my bottom lashes real quick. Jump into my brow. Clean that brow up just a little bit. There we go. And then I want to jump into, I already know it's just this Tati green. It's like a little shimmer. This right here, this Tati green. I'm going to jump into that. I love STACIEWO. Alright, so now since we had that down, baby, we can jump into face. So we're going to be mixing, doing my usual thing that I usually do. My e.l.f. and my ColourPop. This has been my new fave mix that I like to do for my face. So I just take this and I like mix both of them together. Especially when I don't want to do like too much of a light. And I just do just like this. And I already put concealer and things like that. I mean, not concealer, I already put moisturizer and everything on my face because I had did my face. So that's why I'm just stamping everything on. You feel what I'm saying? So next, what we doing? We jumping in the contour. I already know. It's the Denasa. I'm gonna just stamp that right here. We're gonna jump into some blush. And I do want to try this because I was on TaylorMade Live and she said what you could do, like while your stuff is still wet, you could take your wet blush, your dry blush. So we're gonna jump into Juvia's Place and you could just stamp this in instead of, like, say for instance, if you don't have like a liquid blush, you can just take your powder blush and while your face is still kind of damp, you could just stamp your blush right there. So we're gonna try that. And it's actually doing it. Yeah. So now I'm gonna blend that in. Blend that out. Yeah. And no, I haven't put my foundation on or my contour, my nose. I kind of like to blend this in first. Okay. And now I'm gonna put my foundation on, but we not really doing too much with the foundation. We jumping into LYS, and we just gonna take one drop. Put that all on my nose. Get in between here, just in case it's giving everything that's giving like line or whatever. We put it all over. Okay. Okay. And now let me contour this nose. Okay. We ain't gonna do too much with the contour with the nose. We just gonna focus it right here and then kind of like bring it down a little bit, but we just focusing it really right here. You know what I'm saying? Like that. And now since we have that down, we're definitely going to bake. So we're going to bake with the Laura Mercier and the kimchi. And the kimchi, this is in the banana, and the Laura Mercier is in the translucent honey. And I like mixing these. And we're just going to take that and bake that. And yes, we really baking. Like, why not? And I'm kind of like pressing that in. Pressing that right in. Getting all the, you know, that harsh lines and stuff, because I don't want to be cast out. But we baking today. We ain't even playing with you. We ain't even playing. We ain't even playing. Do 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 do. Okay, and while that's baking for a little bit, I'm going to jump into my Kaduna, and I'm just going to take that and touch that up on my contour. And then I'm going to take my Charlotte Tilbury in the color Deep. I'm gonna take the other side of my brush, and I'm just going to dust that right off. And then once I take that and dust that right off, I go in with a more cleaner brush. Okay, and now since I have that down, I'm going to hold it with the fixing spray. I like to fix it first. And then I'm going to real quick jump into my lip, and I'm trying to find my brown lip liner. I've been using black lip liner lately, so I see a bunch of black lip liners on here because I just like that look. I don't know, I think that 90s black lip liner is kind of like going back in style, and I'm loving it because I just feel like, well, I need to sharpen this a little bit. I just feel like I just like that kind of like hard but still kind of like soft look. I gotta hurry up, I got a meeting. Child, I'm gonna go all looking like this, but I got a meeting at 11 o'clock. All right. Keep moaning and moaning and moaning and woo! Bop, go the weasel. Bop, go the weasel, cause the weasel said bop. That's how them lips looking. Why do I be playing too much? I'm gonna jump into my P. Louise. My favorite P. Louise whip. So you can lip like. So you can. So you can be everything but you want to be with this lip. It's like, no. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of, I like a little bit of shine. And put it right there. All right, now I'm gonna set my face. Set it in like that. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Set it in. Set it in. Set it in. All right, so now since I set that down, I'm gonna put some shimmer and shine. And I just been liking, no lie, I have been liking the glaze and the blinding mix within this Be Perfect, the Vivian palette. I really like the way this do. Like when I touch on both of them, and I go like this, like. Put a little on my nose, and people put it here. I put it here. I put it there. I like to shine, like, I don't know why I like to shine in that part. I don't get it, but that's what I do. Mind your business. Either you do it. If you don't, you don't. I don't care. I pull down your underwear. It's like, no, y'all, I'm crazy. I think that's why you love me. It's like, no. But yeah, let me take this out. And let me fix my hair. And this is the final look, my boo. What you thinking? What is it giving? Do you miss these kind of eyes? Do you want me to start bringing these kind of eyes back on my channel? Let me know, because I have been real natural. You know what I'm saying? But I'm really feeling this look. I really love the way this look came. I'm so proud of this look because it's been a while with the cut crease, half cut crease, the crease, the little crease, but I did it. Okay? But I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching me grow. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. You already know. But really, don't forget to keep God first. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Peace.